In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in LibreOffice Impress. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place a video on a slide, adjust its size and position, and make sure it plays smoothly during your presentation. Before we begin, it helps to have your video file saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated media folder, so you won't waste time browsing for it later. Start by opening LibreOffice Impress. You can create a new presentation or open an existing one you're already working on. If the template chooser appears, pick a layout that fits your content. A blank slide gives you full control, while a title and content slide can help you keep things organized if you want a heading above the video. In the slide pane on the left, click the slide where you want the video to appear. Choosing the slide first ensures the video lands exactly where you expect it. If the video is a focal point, consider dedicating the entire slide to it so it has room to display at a comfortable size without crowding text or graphics. Now go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Audio or Video. This command tells Impress you want to add media, and it opens your system's file browser so you can pick the file. In the file browser, navigate to the folder containing your video, select the file, and click Open. If you don't see your video at first, check the file type filter at the bottom of the window and switch it to show all supported media. Impress works well with common formats like MP4, WebEM, and OGG. If a file won't import, it may need conversion to a more widely supported format. Once the video appears on your slide, you'll see it as an object with handles. To resize it without distortion, drag from a corner so the aspect ratio stays intact. Dragging from a side can stretch it, which usually doesn't look great. To move the video, click inside the object and drag it to a new spot. Use the alignment guides that appear to center it or align it with other elements. Leave some margin near the edges so nothing gets cut off when presenting. When you run your slideshow, you'll see playback controls for the video. You can play, pause, and adjust the volume, and some videos may start automatically depending on your settings. It's a good idea to test by starting from the current slide and confirming audio plays through the correct output. If you'll present on another computer, keep the video file with your presentation to avoid missing media. And don't forget to save your work.